Well, going to all this lots today is going to be on dancehall artist SHENSEEA, as I send out my condolences. Earlier today, June 25th, via your Instagram, she posted the passing of her mother, and it's really a sad day. The first thing that came to mind was SHENSEEA with Richie feelings and the passing of his mom, as well as DJ Lava, the passing of his mother as well. I don't think, and this is just me, I don't think that people should be tagging SHENSEEA. If you're even putting on your page that you're showing respect and you want to send her love and light and just a lot of upliftment, I think you should put hashtag instead of the at, because that does a trigger off the feelings a little bit more. So this is what she wrote on her Instagram. And this is what it reads. Mommy, my heart is broken. Mommy, broken. I never knew I had this much tears until this day. I ask God for strength. Just strength. I love you forever. Hashtag RIP. Hashtag RIP. Hashtag RIP. My mother and father in a one. You know, my mother, I'll never forget you ever. I ask everyone, please, if you see me in person, don't remind me of this. My heart is weary. So you see, that's what I'm making reference to when I even said, even though we're telling her condolences and we're sending love and light, if you're even making a post, do not at her. Use hashtag incense, because it is very sensitive. Again, my condolences to SHENSEEA and the entire